possible, and how can I get my credit score to 800? That is a good question that everyone should be asking if you are looking to purchase a home, have credit cards, car loans, etc. And we are going to answer that question by bringing in my go-to guy, Jonas Mitchell of Scribble. He is the authority that I look to answer my credit repair questions. But before we bring him in, help me out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to click that bell to get notified. Like my page on Facebook, and also show me some love if you don't mind, if you find this information helpful, and follow me on Instagram. Hey, this is a very good question, and we are going to answer that starting right now. Hey, Jonas, thanks for answering these frequently asked questions regarding credit. So for someone out there watching who is curious, what is the max, the highest credit score possible, and how can I get there?
Sure thing, and that's a great question, Rob. So your credit score ranges anywhere from a 300 to an 850 traditionally. So 850 is going to be the max score that you can get. And the only way that you can get an 850 credit score is if you max out in each of the 5 categories. And those 5 categories are payment history, which is 35%, making sure you don't have any late payments, collections, or charge-offs. Your credit utilization, making sure that you keep it below 30%. And if you want a perfect score, we actually recommend being under 10% for credit utilization. We also want to make sure that you max out your credit utilization. So you need to make sure that you're actually showing actual credit accounts on your credit report. So you can't have like just 1 or 2. The average person who has a perfect credit score actually carries 6 or 7 credit cards underneath their name in order to have that perfect score. Then you would have to max out in the 15% types of credit. So we want to make sure that you have multiple installment accounts, multiple promissory accounts. You want to have a specialty account, something like an American Express, where you have to charge on the account and pay it all off in the exact same month. So maximize your different types of credit. We need to make sure that you don't have any hard inquiries within the last 2 years. And you want to make sure that your age of credit is very long. And as a matter of fact, to get over a 750 credit score, you need to have over 10 years worth of on-time payments anyway. So it's going to take you some time to get to that perfect 850, but it absolutely is possible as long as you maximize each of those 5 categories.
Hey, Jonas, thank you so much for sharing this helpful information. Guys, if you're watching, there's more information there in the description below, as well as a way to reach out and contact Jonas if you need his expertise. Jonas, as always, thank you so much for helping us out.
My pleasure.